Hi everyone, it's Nelda. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for clicking this video. I know that we are facing a difficult situation, so I hope that you are safe and that you're in excellent health. You may hear my husband and my dog in the background, so I apologize. My husband is home because their work shut down, so it's nice to have him home. So this video will show you 3 mini albums / journal that I made using flashcards. This is a set of flashcards similar to what I used for the mini albums, and the back is plain, so it's good to journal here. The size of this flashcard is 5 3/4 by 4 1/4, and then the journal size is 6 by 4.5 inches. These mini albums / journals are very easy to make and very simple. So I'm going to show you this one first. All journals have hard covers and they all have seam binding for closure. And I use the cinch and the binding wiring to bind the journal. This binding wiring is 1 inch. And then letter A flashcard for the front cover and letter I for the back. And I use this pretty big eyelet for closure. Let's take a look inside. So this is the first page. There's an envelope here. And then I matted the pages with scrapbook paper. And then the back I left blank for journaling. So these pages are good for photos. So that's why it is a mini album / journal. So photos and then journaling on the back. And I use a variety of scrapbook paper here. There are 12 flashcards that are matted for photos, and then the remaining inside pages are made of cardstock and some more scrapbook paper. The pages are not embellished, so just blank paper, envelope, and then there are some cards here. So this one is a tuck as well. And really very simple. It's very easy to make. So I finished these 3 mini albums / journals in just, I think, less than an hour is when I did this. I will use these mini albums to feature my grandkids. I have 3 grandkids, and when this mini album is done, I will show you in a video as well. And this is the end back cover. And then we go to the second mini album. This is Bambi, and it's the same size, 6 by 4.5 inches. And then the wire is 1.25 inches. So this is the first page. And then I just used the punch to decorate the cardstock. The flashcards are matted with music sheets, again, blank on the back for journaling. And there are 12 flashcards that I matted. And the reason for that is because I wanted to feature the first 12 months of my grandkids. That's why there are 12 flashcards. So for 12 photos. And then these are the remaining pages. Again, these are just plain cardstock in different colors, and then some scrapbook paper. Everything is blank. And there are some music sheet here also. And then this is the inside back cover. And last but not least, the cover is from a Wallpaper, and this is from the show The Land Before Time. I love that show. It's one of my kids' favorites. And so there's an envelope here on the first page. And again, 12 flashcards that I matted for photos. Again, journaling in the back. And then the remaining pages are again cardstock in different colors, and some, I think I have some envelopes here also, and some cards, but they're all just blank. And this is the back. And there you have it. So again, these are very easy to make, and if you have no cinch, you can bind the books by using the rings that you can purchase at any dollar store. So if you are home and you are thinking of making some crafts, this is a project to consider. You can even use old flashcards or bingo cards or any other playing cards, and you can use any paper or any scrapbook paper to mat them so that they would make a nice photo mat, and it is fun to make. So this is what I have for you today. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think, and if you are not a subscriber to my channel yet, please subscribe. I really appreciate that. And again, thanks so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye now.